Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, we all know that forms are the best way to collect the data of the leads for your business. So if you are already using forms for that, well and good. But if you are not, start using forms right away. And in this video, I would like to show you a way in which you can fetch out the data of your leads from the form submissions directly and automatically into a CRM application. Yes, guys, let me show you how you can do this without any manual efforts and without manually copy pasting the data of your leads from the form and add those leads into your CRM. Okay, so this automation that we are about to set up is going to look like this. As and when here, any lead or customer of yours is going to fill a form which I have created with the help of Cognito Forms application. But in place of Cognito Forms, you can use any other form builder as well. So as and when you receive a form submission from the lead, the same person who have filled the form is going to be added as a contact in Zoho CRM application. So in place of Zoho, you can use any other CRM application as well. Okay. So guys, this is how it is going to happen, and to make this happen we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And for this, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And here on this dashboard, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here you can provide any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, here I have given the name to this workflow as add leads from Cognito Forms to Zoho CRM automatically. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the actions. So this automation is going to work on these two things. And the trigger here is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow. And the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a form submission and the action would be to add the person who have filled the form into Zoho CRM as a contact. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So from this choose app field, first of all select your trigger application, which is Cognito Forms in our case. So select here Cognito Forms. Okay, and here you have to select the trigger event as new entry, and it will give you this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to make the connection with Cognito Forms, and after that we are going to fetch the data out from that form, out of that form. Okay, so first of all, you have to copy this webhook URL from here. Then you can read the instructions written here to make this connection. Let me show you how you can do this. So this is my Cognito Forms applications dashboard, and I am under the form builder. Okay, and under your form builder, when you click on build section, okay, this kind of page will open up. So this is a form I have created named as data testing form. Let me change the name of this form. So I'm giving the title of this form as lead collection form, or you can just say sign up form. Sign up form. So it's a kind of sign up form, or you can create a contact form or any other form as you want. Okay, and guys, here when you come down, you will see in the bottom bar submission settings option. So click on submission settings, and under the submission settings on this left hand side, you will find this post JSON data to website option. Click on post. So first of all, you have to toggle this on, and after that, when you click on post JSON data to a website, you will find this option, which is this submit entry endpoint. So guys, here in this submit entry endpoint field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from here from Pabbly Connect. Just copy this and paste it here in this submit entry endpoint like this, right? Okay, then you have to click on save and save your form just like this, so you can see form is getting saved. Okay, and here you can see as you have copied this webhook URL from your workflow, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. This means you have to fill the form on the behalf of any demo lead or a test lead, and we are going to capture the data out of the form of the lead here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to open my form. I'm clicking on publish. Okay, and it will give you this URL. So this is the URL of the form. Just click here to open your form. Okay, and let me fill the form. So let's say the name of the person who is filling this form is Ankita Lodhi, let's say, and here is the number of this person, the email, okay. So these are the demo details I am filling here just to show you how it is going to work. Okay, right now I'm submitting this form, so I'm clicking on submit, and you can see the form is submitted here. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this form. So here you can see in this response received section, we got the details from the form like this. So it is showing the details like this. Okay, so these are the details we got from the form submission here. Okay, now I want to add this person who have filled this form into a CRM, which is Zoho CRM, and for that to happen you have to connect Zoho CRM application in the actions tab. Okay, so from this actions tab, from the choose app field, you have to choose Zoho CRM application. So this is Zoho CRM, select it, and in the action event you have to select create contact option. So it will create a new contact. So just click on connect here, and from this window add new connection, and then click on connect with Zoho CRM, and it will ask to enter the domain name here. So guys, you can find the domain name of your CRM application by opening its dashboard, and here in the top search bar you can see the domain here. After the URL of your account, it will show you .zoho.in. it is showing zoho.in here, so you have to put Zoho. I'm going to put zoho.in. So if you're working on any other domain, you have to put that domain here. Okay, then click on save. Okay, and then it will ask for these accesses, so you just have to click on accept from here, and you will be connected with your Zoho CRM in a few moments like this. Okay, right, so we are connected, and here it is asking to select the lead source. So you can select the lead source from this list. So I have created this list inside my CRM, so I am selecting this option. Let me show you. Let's say web research. Okay, right, and now you have to enter these details to create a contact in Zoho. So I'm going to use the data that I have received here in the first tab to create a contact in Zoho. So you just have to come back to here and just click on this first name field, and you will find the this option Cognito Forms in the drop down, and when you click here you will find all the data that you have received in the from the first tab. So from here I'm going to map the first name. Oh, sorry, for the first name you will find the first name here. This is the first name, and for the last name find the last name. For the email, just click on the email, right? And for the department and all, if you have all these things, you can map all these things. But currently I have a fewer details, so I'm going to map the details just that I got from the form. Okay, so you can create form according to you if you want all the details to enter here. And let's say in the department I'm going to map the organization's name. Okay, so we are done here, and if this person is opted out for your emailers, you can make it yes or no. I am making it we got a sign up form here, so if you have a subscription form for emailers, you can make it yes. Okay, right, and this is it. These are not compulsory things, so I'm leaving these things blank. Now you can check your connection with Zoho CRM by clicking on save and send test request, and you will find a new contact got added here in this list. Okay, so let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And here you can see it is showing this success code. Okay, this means we have got a new contact in Zoho. Let me show you. I'm going to refresh this contacts page, and here you can see Ankita Lodhi is added here automatically. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys, and our connection is working really fine, and we are done setting up this automation. Let me give you a quick recap here. So guys, first of all, in the trigger I connected Cognito Forms. By following the instructions, I make the connection, and then I filled the form as a demo lead and fetch the data out from the form submission here like this. After that, in the actions tab, I connected Zoho CRM and mapped the data we received from the first tab to create a contact there. And guys, you have to make these connections and map this data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, I'll show you how it is going to work in real time. So I'm going to open my form again. Okay, so this is my form, and let me fill it again with a different name. Okay, so I'm putting the name here as George Matthews, let's say, and this is the phone number of this person, and this is the email. Okay, right, and I'm going to submit this form like this. This form is submitted now, and now I'm going to show you directly in Zoho CRM if we got a new contact added here. So I'm going to refresh this page here again. Okay, and here you can see George Matthews is added automatically. So this is how it is going to work in real time. Okay, and guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.